Goodness gracious, boys. Butterward's day in Inwood. I got plenty of drainage, so that's awesome. Shugs figured it's morning. But we got a little project today. Not even sure if we'll be able to finish it or not, because I'm just a dumb fucking goof. But yeah, we got to drag out the table saw, move some stuff. We'll cut some birds. We got a bunch of birds here. Birds. We'll give them a couple little choppy poos there, and yeah, we got a little drawing. This is my drawing. I'm an artiste, so we'll set that down, never to be sent again. Drag some of this shit around. Got a little bit of the plastic on the ceiling yesterday, but then that was all I had. I figured, I got, a roll, but I forgot that I put plastic under the concrete, and then I can't remember what we pulled that off for originally, but it's all muddy and dick now, so I don't want to use it, so I just got another roll. So hopefully this afternoon we'll finish that off. I can get it inspected, but I still got that trim piece. Buddy was supposed to come like 2 weeks ago, and then last week, and then just never did. And then now it's fucking still open. I don't want to insulate that so it gets wet, but we can chooch the rest of it anyways, all but this little end here, and see what happens. Hopefully I got enough. 100 feet. That's not 8, yeah, probably gonna need more anyway, because I'm a stupid f. But they don't make rolls. If they made rolls 12 feet, we'd be laughing, but we were 10 feet, so that's great. But anyways, remove some stuff. Well, we got the sub chassis pretty well worked out. Pretty well. I should find a fucking spatula. Oh, there it is. Freaking battery died. But yeah, 2 birds with 3 sticks on it. A couple dozen screws. How you doing? But pretty well ruined Uncle Don's table saw. So that's pretty cool. I got this half sponge, half SLS pad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just a room. Just friggin' ruined it. That's great. Nothing a little SLS can't fix, hopefully. Oh, goodness gracious, Suge Knight. Oh, there should be a good thing I brought it in here in accordance to the terrible mess. But that's I think, I'm pretty sure, no, maybe not. I think I stained one other piece of wood before in my life, but I'm a big fan of the nets. They're all, we picked up some luxurious knotty oak. There's some knotty oak that I found laying around there. It cost me $100. I had the 2B6s, figured I'd use them. And I'm gonna friggin' lag bolt them to the frame of the sumbitch there. And yeah. Should be just about lickety splips. Okay, rather than spend $5, $6, $7, $8, $9,000 on a headboard, $100, $100, make it yourself, customs. You know what I mean? But yeah, didn't want anything fancy. This is exactly what I was looking for. $700, $800. You know what I mean? So yeah, so now we can eat today. That's great. There's enough left over where we might be able to have a bit of a tasty morsel, but anyways, boys, we'll wait till she dries and set her up, test her out. Let's look at the Richard Mahoganoid.
Beautiful. Look what you did with the friggin' skids.
Yeah, and you made it with the pallets.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a friggin' disco. It's like the inwards disco. Yeah, it really is. That's freaking awesome. You love that, Timmy?
Yeah, you?
Freaking best.